Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMT College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss molecular orbital method, valence band method and vibrational spectra for diatomic molecule. Now, in this lecture we will discuss vibrational coarse structure. Vibrational coarse structure. The quantized level for various type of energy associated with diatomic molecule shows that the electronic level, the large number of vibrational level and the given vibrational level, a large number of rotational level exist. The separation between electronic level is order of 10 raised to 6 centimeter inverse or more. The term of electronic spectroscopy is used for transition between electronic state which fall in the visible and ultraviolet region of the electromagnetic spectrum. During an electronic transition, vibrational and rotational energy changes can also occur. The vibrational changes produce what will be called vibrational core structure, whereas the rotational changes gives rise the rotation fine structure on the electronic spectra. Hence, detailed analysis of electronic spectra gives the information of all rotational constant and vibrational frequency of both ground and excited electronic state. Molecule passing permanent electric dipole moment gives the pure rotational spectra. Vibrational spectra require the changes of dipole moment during its normal mode of vibration. However, electronic spectra are given by the molecule since changes in the electron distribution in the molecule are always accomplished by the dipole moment changes. Therefore, homonucleus diatomic molecule through passes no permanent dipole moment shown in electronic spectra with the rotational and vibrational structure. Now, vibrational core structure. To understand the vibrational core structure, we drop the rotational energy term from the expression for total energy. Et is equal to E L plus bracket mu plus half bracket V square into V square suffix E minus mu plus half square V square E x E plus bracket mu plus half bracket cube y E V bar E plus dash dash dash. For mu is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, the energy level corresponding to this equation shown in figure, that is this figure. This figure is vibrational core structure of electronic absorption from the ground state. The energy level correspond to this equation are shown in figure. As usual, lower state are indicated by the double prime, that is double dash, and upper state by the single prime, that single dash. As the excited electronic state correspond to weaker bond and the vibrational level in the excited state would be more closely separated by the ground state. From equation first, that is last equation, the wavelength of spectral line can be written as V bar mu dash into mu double dash is equal to E1 dash minus E1 double dash plus bracket mu dash plus half V bar dash E minus mu dash plus 1 half bracket square V dash E into x dash E minus bracket V double dash plus half bracket complete V bar double dash E minus bracket V double dash plus half bracket square V double dash E x double dash E. The changes in the vibrational quantum number accompanying the electronic transition is not governed by the selection rule of vibrational spectroscopy, and any mu double dash gives V dash transition has been some definite probability. However, the selection is simply if the absorption in the form of electronic ground state to excited state The almost all molecules exist in the lowest vibrational state. Therefore, transitions which are considerable intensity are those originating from V double dash is equal to 0 state. Label according to their V dash and V double dash value is 0 0 and 1 0, 2 0 and 3 0. The set of line corresponding this transition is called as progression. Since the value of V dash increases by the unity of each line in the set, the wavelength of the 0 0 transition is then V bar 0 0 is equal to E 1 dash minus E double dash 1 plus half V bar dash E minus 1 by 4 X dash E V bar dash E minus half V double dash E plus 1 by 4 E X double dash E V bar double dash E. On the high frequency side, there will be the crowing on the line. From this above equation, it is obvious that observation of few lines in the band enable one determinants of vibrational frequency V bar E and constant Xe on the both ground state excited electronic state of the molecule in addition to the separation between of electronic state. Now this will be the theory of vibrational coarse structure. Thank you so much.